Hey, Tony, give me a little bit more time. I'll finish what we was doing. I'm setting that damn camera up. Let me show them what they're talking about. Tony, everybody, I even see a lot of these survivors on them tell you these survival knives and stuff. They look like this. They're just knives. Oh, we can use them for this. They don't know how to use them. And most of them don't even know what they're using it for. So don't worry about it. The real survival knife are these multi-tool knives. And when I say multi-tools, I mean multi-tools. I mean I got like a whole bunch of stuff in here. See what I'm saying? I still got more in here. I ain't gonna pull them all out, but I'm gonna show you just a little. See, these are all, that's all these are multi-tools. These are just survival knives, period. Because you can do more things with these. See, these are mainly for cutting. Or if you want to poke a hole or make a little hole, that's it. That's all these things are used for. Some of them even has a little area where they're trying to say that. But then this can break. Even you have to think about it. You got a compass and all that in this. But it will break. See, here's your compass. Your matches and stuff. All this is not worth nothing. And it does not have fish hooks in it. That's why, Tony, I don't want nobody, even damn, every time you see somebody pulls out a knife like this, the first thing comes to your mind is, it is not a survival knife. These are not classified as survival knives. It's mainly for cutting. That's all it's for. Cutting and poking, that's all it's for. And they can easily break off because the insides are usually half. The ones that's solid, that's all they're used for, is cutting and poking. That's it. Listen, you know, you got your saw, you got your pliers, plus your scissors part right here. The screwdriver, which is actually a hole poker. And then you got your right here is your steak knife. Your door opener. And you come back over here. You got your can opener and a bottle opener. Another knife, which is, this is good for batoning. I mean, you can actually split stuff like this right here. I can actually use it for batoning. It's a multi-purpose knife. I mean, that's why they call it a survival. That's why I said I call it a survival knife. Then you got your bamboo. You know your bamboo is always hollow. Most of y'all kids don't know that, but that's what it is. And what I did is I sat there and made a drinking cup. I can drink out of it. See, they're hollow. They're drinking cups. And there's your drinking cup. You see what I'm saying? You actually use that for drinking. Or you can do like I'm doing. Poke a hole in it to make an area here. Poke another hole in it right here. Now these can hold water. I'll show you this is a survival knife though. Finish what I was doing. thing's good for. See, Tony, you'll be using this up there at the high rock. You're gonna be building the same thing. This is how you get your metal and your knife. And if you want to go hunting with me, you're gonna have to do it too. See? See what I'm doing? Ain't no water in there either. So it holds water. Show you, be right back. And don't forget, Tony, this is what you be doing up there. High rock. You're gonna teach him how to do this. See? Still soaking water in there. Seeing what I'm doing. There ain't no water there. No water. Just got that little bit too. Oh, there went the bubble. That's what it was, a bubble. That's all it is a bubble. Good movie. And the only way to fix that bubble that's why you dunk it in water. Now watch. See? It can hold water. It's got plenty of water in there. See? Plenty of water in there. Great water holder. Best way to hold them. Get your cords. Water holder. Switch. Now you see why this is so good as a survival knife. The ultimate survival knife. know that's got water in it. And what you do, how big that hole is. You'd burn that just a little. Then you do like I'm doing right here. Tony, now this is what you be doing up there at High Rock with them boys, so you can go ahead and get your manhood. You're gonna also teach them some other shit. Nobody else is gonna be knowing it. See? Now you got a holder and you got a water holder. So you got a water thing, you just pull it out. Drink. Put it in. Take off. See what I'm saying? Walk around, go like that. There you go. I need some water. Got some water. Put it back. See how easy it is to make a bamboo water holder? Or you can take a cup. You already know that's the same way. Here's the water. See, got water. There's your water holder. Using the real survival knives. If you're on that, it'll be right back. I don't have my hammer. Let me find me something. Thinking I was bullshitting about Batana. I ain't bullshitting about Batana. Goes right there. You see I'm doing feather, so I can. So you know this is work. This is all work. And the better thing about doing it, set it right there. Instead of doing this on your knife all the time, you don't have to. Get it between two things. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Perfect baton. Perfect survival knife. Think about that perfect survival knife. I need to cut me a steak, man. I got me one of these right here. If I want to cut something else, I need to wax something, man. I got something right here. I need to unlock certain things. I got that there. Got another one right here. And then I also got that can opener. I also got a can opener. Bottle opener also. Or I can turn back around. Got a file. A screw and a hole poker. So I'm doing pretty damn good. I think that's what you call a real survival knife. See, Tony, you be getting both of these. You're getting both of these. You don't have to worry about something like this. I can break this. I can actually break it this way if I want to. It ain't that good. And well, it's a good chopper, but it ain't a good saw. You see, it is not a good saw. Because these are too far out. So I would have to go like this. It ain't getting nowhere. Still ain't getting nowhere, so it ain't worth a crap. And you call these survival knives? And then you sit there and tell everybody, hey man, I'm paying $50 for this knife. It ain't worth a crap. Most Navy SEALs, Delta Force, certain police officers, they'll get a multi-tool or another multi-tool that works the exact same way. We're sitting there looking at that. Now you see this thing is not worth a crap. But this is the survival knives. And that is not. That's just a cutter and a poker. That's it. Steak knife. Talk to you later. Hey, like my bamboo cup? How about my water holder made out of bamboo? Virginia Bushcraft, you see I just did this also in front of you, show you that this stuff works. You need to try it someday. Talk to you later.